Hey everybody, welcome back to day 2. Remember yesterday, if you did not turn in your intro video to me, please do that by going to yesterday's folder, and you can upload it at the bottom. Alright, so for day 2 today, we're going to do a workout. Alright, so task 1, you're watching my video, good start. Here's the link. I'll always add the link here if you need it, just because I know sometimes YouTube videos are weird, so you can always copy and paste it and watch it that way. All right, test 2, you're going to complete the warm-up and the workout, and then you're going to answer the questions below. So today's warm-up and workout, you're going to complete all 5 exercises for 30 seconds each. Okay, so you're going to complete jumping jacks 30 seconds, a front plank for 30 seconds, bodyweight squats for 30 seconds, arm circles for 30 seconds, and mountain climbers for 30 seconds. All right, after you've done that, grab some water. Your workout or your warm-up is over. All right, for your workout, you're going to complete all of these exercises from left to right and then do it again 3 times total. So you're going to do 12 calf raises, 10 bodyweight squats, 8 push-ups, 6 jump squats, and 4 burpees. All right, if you want to make it harder, you're going to do it without any rest. So then you're going to go back to the beginning and do it again, go back to the beginning and do it again. Okay, if you want some water after each one, you can take a little bit of rest, up to you, but you're going to do it 3 times total. Okay, so left to right is 1, left to right is 2, left to right is 3. Okay, after you've done that, you are done with the workout. Should take you about 10 minutes, maybe 10, 15 minutes. For task 3, you're going to answer the discussion questions in here. All right, 1 to 2 sentences to get all of your points. Okay, so it's just asking a little bit about your workout history. So once you've uploaded those discussion questions and done the workout, you are done for today. All right, let me know if you have any questions.